Open up. What's in the oil? Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today is, you guys are going to see this video tomorrow. Today is Saturday and you guys will be seeing this video tomorrow. So I'm making food as usual. I'm making soup. I want to make native soup, but I'm using bitter leaf. I don't know if I showed you guys. Let me show you guys the bitter leaf. So this is the bitter leaf I'll be using, and the fish I already showed you guys in the intro, and I won't be using all the fish because this fish has a lot of bone, so it's not something to cook and store in the fridge. So I'll just use the quantity I know that we're going to finish today. You don't warm this soup. Like if you warm this soup, you're just going to eating bone. So it's just cook it and finish it. If you want it again, you cook again. Except you don't want to put the fresh fish inside and put it in the fridge. Else you're going to be eating a lot of bone. And you see my frozen prawn. You guys now see the importance why I like to buy these things in bulk whenever I can, because something can just come up and I will have something to cook with. So my husband actually saw this fresh fish on his way coming back home and he craved it, and then he brought it home, and yeah, I'll be making it. Then he also got this periwinkle. I don't know if you guys know this periwinkle that is everywhere now. This is the periwinkle that most people now sell. For some reason I don't like it. There's nothing wrong with it, don't get me wrong. It's not that it's that bad, but me, so I wasn't trained or brought up with this periwinkle, so for that I can't eat it. You can see how it's looking funny. It doesn't look fresh to me. It doesn't look nice. So this is the one I already have in the fridge that you guys know. So this is what I'll be using. This one, I don't know what to do with this here. I might actually trash it or give it to somebody else. I don't know. So that is all we have going on now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I doubt if I'm going to take you guys along making this vlog, because I forgot to tell you guys, you can see that my room, my light is not on in my kitchen, and that is because our inverter had some issues. The thunder strike yesterday actually affected it, so we took it to where they work on it. Hence the house is dark because it's about raining. The weather has actually changed, and there's no light, of course, Nigeria. And my generator, I can't put it on because noise. I'll on it in the night though, so I have to cook, and it's a little hot in here. Filming and cooking is not practical, but I'll try my best. My girl is already helping me out with the snail.
Exactly, but snacks.
I'll just wash up this soup and I'll talk to you guys probably once I'm done cooking. Can you imagine this girl wants to cook now? But you get too much money. You don't get too much money. When I buy CA, the money when they hold, never they hold that money. When I 16, 17, I never see that kind of money. People are going to give you how much? I think it's making money. See you. No. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. Take some. Hey guys, the food is almost ready. I was thinking maybe I could finish early and take the kids out today. Today is Saturday. I told you guys earlier, December 4th, and it's about 4:42 p.m. So I was thinking I could finish cooking before 5 and take the kids out, but maybe if I can't make taking them out today, I can make it tomorrow. But tomorrow I was hoping to film a video that I can upload on Monday. I don't know if I can finish, because this video will go up tomorrow and the video I upload on Monday will go up on the yeah. So I don't know. Anyways, let's see how it goes. I'll put a little of oil in the soup to just thicken it. I'm just waiting for the soup to boil very well, and I'll just add those other things. Like, this soup is one of the fastest soup ever. Trust me, like, if you know native soup, you know it's really fast and easy. The only problem is just to prep the fish and the seafood. Once you've prepped your seafood, trust me, native soup is very, very easy. Ryan, what is it?
I love to see you. I know my mommy, I know my Inda. I love my mommy, I love my Inda. I love my Bowsy, I love my Inda. I love everybody. I love Renee. I love my mom. Hello guys, I'm singing one song. It's so cool. And ever you can see, ever you can love anyone you see, every one. In my party. Don't play game.
Okay. I'm busy.
On my oh, long is the one walk.
Hey guys, I'm done eating. That soup was delicious. Hey, this was what I needed. Like, the weather is cold, it just rained, and fresh fish soup. No meat, just fresh fish, snail, the big prawn you guys saw, ngolo, premico. I'm trying to catch my breath before I go to the market and get fresh tomatoes. So we are going to get fresh tomatoes now. I want to shower. I would have loved to have a bath because I'm already sweating before going, but it's almost 6 o'clock. I think that's around 5:30 something or 5:40. So I need to hurry up to the market, get fresh tomatoes. I already have fresh pepper for tomorrow's food before they close. You know, it's Saturday, so they'll close very soon. I need to go get fresh tomatoes. Then I'll come back. So let's go get fresh tomatoes and we'll come back and hopefully maybe end the vlog or something else. All right. How they sell your tomatoes? Which one? This one. This one. This one. Cost. I don't even know where to price from when they come. And I find red tomatoes. How they sell that one? How much last time?
How much you want that?
Maybe red oil as I like.
I go stick for and select and for how much you want that? And mine, 800 last.
800 last. Last, that's yeah.
Yes.
You just select, come out and select 3 people. Hey, give me red one. Wait, big
Sam.
people.
Tomato will cost you the seed there.
They bake tomatoes.
Don't Sam.
So use it to chop.
So you don't do Indomie.
Okay.
Buy am. If you want go ground, if you no give am money, you go give me some. Amen. No. Nobody will go fit try am for shop. Wey be say
You don't complete 200. I want. Sorry. Yeah guys, I'm back home. So guys, I am back from the market. It was just a quick, like, less than, let me sit down. Oops. It was less than 15 minutes market. Let's say 15 minutes. Okay, yeah, less than 30 minutes, because I'm including the time I went to the market and excuse me, coming back. So I am back home now. I'm so tired, but guess what, I need to edit the vlog. This vlog you guys are watching, you're going to see tomorrow, Sunday, because as I said, I'm determined to do this vlogmas stuff this year. I didn't do it last year. And make sure it goes up today, so tomorrow I can just like add thumbnail and do all those stuff. So I won't be sleeping until I'm done editing that video. I also have other creators videos that I need to catch up on. I have some of my favorite vloggers and YouTubers video that I love to watch too, so I have to just take a bath now and start watching at the same time editing my own video. But yeah, that's all for now. I'll talk to you guys later. Super tired, guys. Yay. Woo. All right, bye. Oh, I forgot. Oh, if there's any video you guys want to see, let me know. Let me just list the videos I already have that I want to film, and tell me if you like them. The video I want to film next is trying on my loungewear outfit, like clothes you can just lounge with at home, sit with at home, like just have fun with at home. Basically, that's the kind of video I want to upload. I bought some stuff I want to show you guys. I want to try them on for you guys, so in case you guys are interested, you can also buy and just look good. You know, the fact that we're going to be home this period doesn't mean it needs to be boring. So I'll show you guys that. Then another thing I want to show you, another video that I have coming up, is one request I got from one of you, is to show you my bag collection, which I don't really have much, but I'll be doing that video next. So that's going to be among my next week video. And another video that I have coming up as well is I have another story time. Probably I'm going to do that, even if I know that that won't do very well, because story time videos doesn't really do well on my channel. But I might include that in a vlog talking about my birth control and family planning, if any, and my delivery story. I might include that in a vlog, because if I do it like a sit down story time, it might not really do well. What other video do I have up? I have a couple of try on videos too to do for clothes. I know fashion videos too really don't do well, although it does well on the long run, but it's not like yeah. So I have also what's in my bag. I have one bag that is quite small. I want to just show you guys like what can fit into that kind of small bag. And I think so far I've mentioned like 4 or 5 video topics, right? So I'm saying this because if you have any then I have 2 other videos that is going to have like 7 contents already. So if you guys have any video what's it called, request, that's what it's called. If you have a video request that you want me to film, or you want me to include now is the best time for you to tell me, because I just mentioned the ones I have now. I don't know if there's any other one you have that you want me to do. Let me know. I will do that. I'll be very, very happy to do that, because I'm looking for content. I need to do this vlogmas, and I need content, and I need content that you guys will actually watch. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.